welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some paper squishy blind bags that I made. Are you ready for this? Let's go! Wow! Now let's open it. Wow! Now let's check out the checklist. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, we can get a birthday cake, which is a rare. We can get a sprinkle pudding, which is legendary. We can get a wavy, which is uncommon, and a strawberry, which is ultra rare. Which one do you want? I think I really want the birthday. So let's see what we got. Wow, there's another miniature squishy. This is my melody. What else is in here? Wow! There's a miniature squishy so I can keep me from waiting. Wow! And this is a reveal. Let's not open this. First, let's check this out. What do you think this is? Check it out. Okay. Well, I think this is wavy. That is so cool. Let's see which one we got. We actually got an uncommon. Okay, let's see if this is actually wavy. I'm right! We got wavy. Wow! Now let's check out the second blind box. Now this is the second blind box. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. Now let's check out what's inside. First we have the checklist. Oh, and it looks like it's the same with the other one. And this is the other miniature squishy. Oh, and this is the flavor wheel. I wonder what it is. I think I want to get the sprinkles, which is legendary. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I think we just got... Is this a sprinkle? Because there's two that look alike, the birthday and the sprinkles. Let's see. Wow! That is the coolest. Now let's check out if it's sprinkles or birthday. 3, 2, 1. It's birthday cake! One of the ones that I wanted. Now let's check out the ones that we got. First of all, we got wavy, and then we got birthday. Which ones are we missing? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for part 2. Bye!